There she is, Sapphire Blue and the GM Commercial White. Pulled off the GT350 vinyl and actually had these stripes painted on. Came out pretty nice. Accidentally forgot the guys to, or tell the shop that I didn't want the GT350 badging, so it was here. So I ended up putting that over the holes. But I think it came out pretty nice. It's a driver, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Alright, I haven't talked a lot about the motor, but this is a Dart 347 short block. I ended up buying for a really good price. It was built by AMS Racing. Grabbed some AFR 195 CNC heads, Edelbrock Victor Jr. intake, and a Holley Sniper 2. The cam I went with was an XFI 236. That's a 236, 248, 579, 579, and a 114 LSA. Runs pretty strong, sounds good. I'm very happy with it. It's a strong little combo. I'll probably never dyno it, but it's probably somewhere in the high 4s, low 5s at 10.81 to compression, or 10.81 compression. Yeah. And then as you can see, I got the Viking double adjustable coilovers and Arning drop on the upper control arm. What else? Did a Curry 9-inch in the back with QA1 adjustable shocks. So far it's been pretty stout with the 5-leaf leaf springs. Oh yeah, and I went with a 350 rear gear. But yeah.